Hello and welcome everyone to our very first tutorial on Revit. Today we will understand how to start Revit in a very first time. Going with it, you will have two options, projects and families. Click New Project, go to Architectural Template and OK. Here we have the basic interface of Revit and these four tiny little cameras. And work should be within the cameras to get better elevation views after that. We need to declare levels and level heights, which exists in the Project Browser tab. Click or select any elevation. Here we have automatically created level 1 and level 2. We can add or remove more levels and give new heights. Can also rename levels according to projects. Levels in Revit are a 3D grid system that helps us organize and orient our work in the vertical axis of the project. They are essential for creating and understanding the vertical relationships in your project. Can also access it from the Datum tab. And the best part, if you adjust the height of a level, any elements associated with that level will update automatically. This makes it incredibly easy to test different design options. Thank you for watching this tutorial.